这棵树可以模拟吗？感觉非常有生命力。
Okay guys, welcome to Trowunna Wildlife. Again, my name's Ned, this is Nini, she's an orphaned animal. Some of these animals will never return to the wild. If those birds of prey are released, they starve to death because they can't hunt. So we educate the public. There's a reason they're here guys, and that's for conservation through education of course. Okay, back to Mrs. Wombat here. Nobody's going to tell me anything about a wombat. How many Australians here? And wombats are birthed about 1 gram in size. 32, 34 days pregnancy. And the pouch of your wombat, as the baby expands in size in the pouch, expands and returns up to that chest area. Wombats are with mum for about 14 months. You can see she walks, she places her feet quite purposefully. She's got a low centre of gravity, short, squat, bold forearms used for digging. And those who can take advantage of the sight when she walks sideways, guys, we have curvature of the back, and then this back section flattens out. This is a cartilage plate that covers the back end of your wombat. I'm putting my thumb underneath it on this side here, guys, and my index finger on top, and we are looking there at around about 2.5 centimetres thick. Male wombats are 25 kilos, 4 centimetre thick rump plate, and that's what blocks the burrow. They carry a door with them to block any intrusion.
Hello.
Okay guys, little Tasmanian devil, this year's young, born around April. This little female devil, guys, at about 8 months of age, was born the size of a match head. Half the size of a grain of rice when she was first birthed. Whole upper body here, guys, is black. The ears are furless and they're very thin skinned. Devils don't sweat or pant, they regulate body temperature by flushing ears with blood. Same principle you find with African elephant. When we first come to Tasmania, guys, we're known as Van Diemen's Land. Let's talk about the vocal range these animals have. They're known to be quite vocal, they're loud, aggressive calls, what's been described as blood-curdling cries. But we heard it every single night of settlement. So a mental picture builds up around this animal. Now the first devil ever sighted, standing in front of campfire light. The light from the fire pushing through those ears. And apparently they look devilish. Red glowing ears as red horns. So that's how they got their name. The pouch is right on the lower body, right between those back legs. The little pouch system's right where my finger is here. So devils when they birth, will birth 18 to 30 fetuses on average, with a race to the pouch for the first 4. Only 4 can never survive. There's only 4 teats inside that. She's exploring. She's fun. But a little devil like that, guys, is already cutting through the rib bones of wallaby when she eats. A full-size devil at 10 kilos, guys, you've got a bite force of a 3-metre crocodile.
Hello, little one. Hello, cutie.